Hello, kids. So let's continue the fraction series. And in this video, we are going to learn about the basic operations on a mixed fraction. Basically, we did it on the like fraction and unlike fraction, basically the addition and subtraction. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to manage the mixed fraction and like how the basic operations of addition and subtractions can be done on a mixed fraction. So let's just see with the examples. Okay, let's get started, right? Basically, when you hear mixed fraction, we by now know that a mixed fraction is a fraction where a whole number as well as a fraction is involved. For example, 3 1 over 2. Over here, you can see that 3 is a whole number and 1 over 2 is a fraction. So when you combine a whole number and a fraction, when you mix them, it becomes a mixed fraction. Now, let's just first try to solve this mixed fraction. Okay. Solving a mixed fraction means converting into a like or an unlike fraction. Sorry, converting into it a improper fraction. Okay. It could be a proper as well, but generally a improper fraction. Let's just start. So over here we have 1 over 2. What can we do is, first of all, the denominator is multiplied with the whole number and adds the numerator divided by the denominator. This is the basic rule of the solving the mixed fraction. Let's just see, the denominator will stay constant. So that means in this case, the denominator is 2. So it's going to remain constant. Now, denominator times whole number. That means the whole number over here is 3 and the denominator is 2. So that makes it 6 plus the numerator. The numerator is 1. That means it's going to give you 7. So your improper fraction is 7 over 2. This is how you solve the fraction, like mixed fraction. Denominator times whole number plus the numerator. That is going to give you an improper fraction from a mixed fraction. Now, we just need to apply the same logic to each and every question of a mixed fraction and just add it like a normal improper fraction. That's it. Let's just see the question. Let's just take first the addition. Addition of the mixed fraction. So, let's take two numbers, for example, 1, let's take 2 over 3 plus 3 2 over 4, right? Now, there is the simple way to do it. And it is, you can first solve the mixed fraction. Let's just try to solve the mixed fraction first. So let's solve 2 over 3. It's going to give you, we know the basic rule that the denominator times whole number plus the numerator, right? So denominator times whole number is 4 times 3. That's going to give you 12. And plus numerator is 2. So 12 plus 2 is going to give you 14. So 14. And the denominator will stay constant for over 14 over 3. Let me show you over here. So what we did 4 times 3 plus 2 over 3. So that's going to give you 14 over 3. That's it. 14 over 3. Now, let's solve the other mixed fraction, that is 2 over 4. 2 over 4. So, again, the same logic we need to apply. Denominator times whole number, that's again 4 over 3. So, it's going to give you 12. Plus 2 is again 14. So, 14 over 4 this time. Now, you just need to add these unlike fraction, that is 14 over 3 plus 14 over 4. Now you know how to add an improper or an unlike fraction, right? You need to change the denominator. And how are we going to do that? You just multiply it with the other denominator and you're good to get the answer. For example, so it's going to be 14, 3, 14 over 3, 3 times 4, right? And this is also going to be times 4 plus this is 14 over 4. 14 over 4. Nothing serious, just need to do times 3 over here like we did, like we added the normal improper fractions, times 3. This is how you get the answer. Now, 14 times 4 and 14 times 3, that's, and 4 times 3 or 3 times 4, that's going to be the same. So the denominator over here is same, that's 12. Now, 14 times 4, how much is 14 times 4? And how much is 14 times 2? So you just need to add the both and find out the answer. So you are going to solve this and tell me the answer in the comments. Yes, this is exactly how we solve this. Now, there is another way to solve this question is you can simply add the whole numbers and add the fractions. That means 4 over 4 2 over 3 plus 3 2 over 4, right? Now just add the whole number. That's 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 over 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 2 over 4. Now we know how to solve this plus 2 over 4. Now 4 times 3, this is going to be 3 times 4, that's 12. Let me write the 12 directly. So 3 times 4 is going to be 12. And 2 times 4 is going to be 8, exactly. This one is 3 times 2 is going to be 6 and 4 times 3 is going to be 12 only. So 8 plus 6 over here, 14 over 12, right? 14 over 12. And the earlier 4 plus 3 was 7. So 7 over 14 over 12. This is in the mixed fraction way only. So if you want to make it an improper fraction, then go this way. If you want to just add it in the mixed fraction way only, just do it in this way. That's going to give you your answer for addition of the mixed fraction. Now, if you will solve this mixed fraction, you are going to get the same answer as this because the numbers are same. Everything is same. It's just the process are different, right? So addition of a mixed fraction can be done via these two methods. So first method is this one, converting it into an improper fraction, and second method is you can just do the process without changing it. You can directly do it with the mixed fraction. So this is the second method. Now the same thing, the same logic applies directly to the subtraction as well. We'll see how to do the subtraction. Let's just see how to do the subtraction. So if it is 4, 3 over 2 plus 2, 1 over 3. Okay, let's just take these two numbers. Sorry, we are doing subtraction. So what you can do is, again, the same two methods that you can use. The first method, let's see. Change these mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2, let's just change the first number. That's going to give you 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11, right? So 11 over 2. And the second fraction is going to be 2, 1 over 3. So it's 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 3. Now, it's 11 over 2 minus 7 over 3. 11 over 2 minus 7 over 3. To do anything, you need to change the denominator. Exactly. Because they are not the like fractions. So, you know the simple rule to change the denominator, it is you just do 2 times 3 and 11 times 3. 11 times 3. This is going to be 33 over 6. And this is going to be 7 times 2 over 3 times 2, right? Because that is the only way that's going to give you the same denominator in this case. So now you just did the simple calculation. 11 times 3 is going to give you 33 over 6. And this is going to be 14 over 6. It's very, very simple and easy this way. So you need to take away 14 from 33. So how much is it going to be? You need to tell the answer. The denominator is going to be the 6 only, right? Now you need to tell the numerator in the comments. This is the first way. The second way, the easiest way. If you don't want to convert, this is the easiest way possible to solve a mixed fraction. Just subtract the whole numbers. So 4 over 2, 4 take away 2 take away 4, right? This is going to be, and now minus 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3, right? So if you just convert this, this is going to be 2, 4 take, like 2 take away 4 is going to be 2 only. Now this is 3 over 2 and 1 over 3. Let's just solve this one first. So 3 times the denominator is going to be 6 in the case, because 3 times 2 is 6, or 2 times 3 is 6 as well. So now 3 times 3 is 9 on the top, minus 6, and 2 times 1 is 2. So 9 over 6 minus 2 over 6. So that's going to give you 7 over 6. And your final answer is going to be 2, 7 over 6. Now, if you don't want to, if you, further solve this, you are going to get 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19, right? So, 19 over 6. Now, if you will look, you may have found the answer by now. But this is also 19 and this is 6. This is also 19 by 6. The same answer. The answer is going to be same. Duh, right? Because this is the same numbers that we are doing it with, but just the process is same. Like you can convert your whole answer into mixed fraction, like into an improper fraction with going with the mixed fraction process, or you can also try the other method. In this way, you will first of all convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction and then solve it. So these are the two ways. Which one you like, which one you feels that you feel that it's easy, you can just try any way. You can solve the questions by any way. There are two ways that I've shown you. Now let's just try to do some questions. Let's just try to solve some questions on the same. So here we are. So let's just first do the addition questions. So here, this is the mixed fractions adventure worksheet. Let's start. So this is 2, 1 over 3 plus 1, 2 over 5, right? Let's just solve this. So 3 over 2, you can just do this question by just add without changing them. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is going to be 5, this is 5 and this is 3, right, in the denominator. So the denominator is going to be 15 only, because 5 times 3 is 15, nothing else. And in the first fraction, it's 1. So 5 times 1 is going to be 5 only. And in the second fraction, it's 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 over 15. Now, this is going to be, sorry, this is plus, right? This is going to be 3 plus 11 over 15. This is the first answer. This is how you do it. Now, let's try the second question with the second method this time. So, it's 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 over, the denominator is 4, so 15 over 4 plus 6 times 2 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, and 13 over 6. Again, the denominator is different, so what you can do, you can just solve it. I find this method, this method much more easier, because here the numbers are smaller and the chances of wrong calculation is very less, right? So that this way is more, I feel, is useful or easy, but it completely depends upon you which way you like. Now you just need to solve and find out the answer. It's going to be 24 in the denominator, right? And to do the numerator, you can just add times 15 times 6, and this is going to be 13 times 4. Whatever you get the answer, you just need to add them. Okay. Let's just try one more question of addition, and then we'll move on to the subtraction. So this one is going to be 8 plus 1 plus 4 is going to be 5, right? Adding the whole numbers first. Then it's going to be 5 over 8 and 2 over 3. So 5 over 8 and 2 over 3. Nothing much, just again converting into like converting the denominator, same. So 8 times 3 is 24. Simple, very easy maths, that this is going to be 24. Yeah. And 5 times 3 is 15 plus 8 times 2 is 16. So this is 16. 15 plus 16 is 31 over 24. That means your final answer is 531 over 24. This is your final answer for this question. Now, let's see those questions of subtraction, subtracting the mixed fraction. Very simple, yet very, very useful. So 3 minus 1 is going to give you 2, subtracting the whole numbers first. Now, 2 over 3 and 1 over 4, very, very easy. So the denominator is going to be 12. Numerator is 4 times 2 is 8. And 3 times 1 is 3 only. So 8 take away 3 is nothing but 5. So 2 over 5 over 12. You can try solving this question in your notebook step by step, and you will see that after solving 10 or 12 questions of the kind, you will be able to solve it in your mind only. You don't need to do the whole process. You can just see the question and then solve the question with the help of your the rules that we have understand, right? So 5, now this question, 5 take away 2 is 3. This is going to be 15, the denominator, because 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, the denominator is going to be 15. Now 3 times 3, numerator is going to be 9 for the first one, and 5 times 1 is 5 for the second one. So 9 take away 5 is nothing but 4. So the answer is 3 over 4 over 15. This is also the way in which you can solve it. Okay. Yes. Let's just now try to solve it in the other way. Okay, so let's just first convert them. 4 times 8, 32. 32 plus 7 is going to be 39, right? 39 plus 8, 39 over 8. And this is going to be 12 plus 1, 13. 13 over 6. Now you just need to make the denominator same. To do the denominator same, you need to do 39 times 6 over 8 times 6. This can make a process bit more calculative, because here obviously the bigger numbers are involved, and this is going to be 13 times 8 over 6 times 8. This is how you do the question, right? And you can find out the answer by solving this and write down the answer in the comments. That's it. That's it. How you solve the mixed fraction. That's how you do the addition and subtraction on a mixed fraction. That is it for today's video. And solve these worksheets and have fun. They are really, really interesting. I'll share this worksheet in the description as well. You can just check it with there. Thank you.